Hold on, we're trying to figure out this stream. I lost 3 streams earlier today. Alright, it's at least a minute and it's still on. Earlier, I filmed 3 live streams earlier today, and it just completely dropped. It didn't save, it didn't upload. Such a bummer. But for some reason, I think it's because my phone has no more memory, and also the Wi-Fi. I'm not so sure, because I haven't tried going live on the GoPro. But yeah, we're here again in Shibuya. This is how Shibuya looks on Saturday night, and it's more crazier than yesterday. I also went live streaming all day this morning besides vlogging. So here is Center Guy. There's like all these random ass black Nampas over here. What's up, Frankie? What is up? SVN Swix? 7 Swix? I don't know what to call you, but thank you. We're in Shibuya Crossing. If you've been here, let me know. Also, we might go look for abroad in Japan. Chris and Charla Mellon. Charla's, they're both a couple, but they have a bar here. They opened it up. It's called Lost. We might go check it out today. They're like famous Japan YouTubers. Also, what I've noticed is if you're around long enough, you're gonna run into other like YouTubers that you've seen and watched all throughout Japan. I saw that guy Corey in Ikebukuro today this morning. It was in my stream. I saw him today. And besides him, I also saw Channel Tokyo Town. He's like a live streamer. He doesn't talk. He does ASMR walks. I saw him today also. I like stream sniped his thing. Sorry, bud. I just like smiled at it. But yeah, that's pretty cool. And like, you know, it's just over time you will see the people that you watch here in Shibuya. Or not just Shibuya, but you know, Japan. All right, guys. So, if you're looking for abroad in Japan, Chris's bar is actually the building right after Mega Donkey here in Shibuya, and it's gonna be on the 2nd floor. I found it just looking around, but yeah, that's probably where it's at. I'm live streaming, and I don't think I'll probably go up there, check it out, peep in. Not so sure what happened. Maybe they're there or not, but just peep in. Let's go. What is up, Suno guy? How are you, brother? I had a live stream earlier at Sakusa and a live stream earlier at Shibuya, but for some reason the stream cut and it didn't save, and it just got like deleted. It's very unfortunate. I was trying to film what was that called? Shopping street in Asakusa. There's one shopping street, I forgot what it was called. And I was also trying to film Kabukicho area, but you know, I guess it just died. Okay, guys, so you see this Grand Tokyo? If you see this Grand Tokyo right over here, and the Gaijin Mart, Family Mart over there, and Mega Donkey over here. Let me go 0.5. You see Mega Donkey over here, Grand Tokyo over here, and the Gaijin Mart over there. Abroad in Japan, Lost Bar is right up there. You just gotta keep your eye up there and you won't be lost. Like lost. Up there, see it? It's hidden by this cool vending machine. I saw Pete and Connor and all those guys. They were standing here, so I figured out I exactly knew where the place is at. And it's right over here, see? Lost. It's also on the second floor. Right over here. We'll try, I think the stream might get cut. But we'll try. Stream might be cut. But we'll try to see. Where are you guys heading?
I'm going to Lost.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So these guys over here are gonna go check out Abroad in Japan's secret. Oh, dude, there's a.
I think a lot of people.
It's not a secret no more. I guess this is the line for Lost. Have you guys like signed in or anything? Like open?
It's a line.
Did you like sign in though? Oh, there's still a line. Okay. So thank you guys. Yeah, there is another line down there.
Oh my god.
It's crazy.
I don't know. It goes around the board.
All right, so you saw all those guys, and you saw me open that door for Lost, and there was another line in that line. So congratulations to Charla and Chris. Your bar is popping, and it's not hidden anymore. Everyone knows where it's at. That's amazing, you know. So shout outs to Lost, second floor. It is a long line, and damn, Chris, you're gonna be making money. So GU, right across GU. You can see it up there. The famous Lost. Shout outs to you guys. You guys made it here in Shibuya. I was really gonna check it, and I just did. But that line is crazy. I don't have much time. I'm live streaming. It's gonna be a hassle. So let's go walk and show you more of Shibuya. I got kicked out of I got kicked out of Donkey yesterday when I checked out Ikebukuro. Right at the end, the guy told me he can't film, and he was talking to me in Japanese, but he was like an Indian dude, so it was funny. So I had to talk to him in English. So that is the famous Lost Bar up over there. I'm not sure, maybe he's the bartender. I know that the bartender's name is also Mark. Yeah, I think his name's Mark, or the manager's name's Mark. So that's the famous one over there. People saying hi inside the streams. Say hi and peace to them. That's the famous Lost Bar. Okay. This is Shibuya, Center Guy. I was here last night, but you know, I guess it's just cooler to stream here. So much life, you know. I checked out this cool festival earlier. It was a it was Kaminariman Don Dori, something like that. I forgot what it's called, but it was a cool dance. Obon Dori. There was a Kaminariman Obon Dori in Asakusa. I checked that out earlier. I didn't, of course I didn't live stream. I filmed a vlog, so you'll see whatever vlogs. And also I've been filming like foodie vlogs. All right. So this is Hooters. This is Outback. Yeah, so this is like not where most people walk all the way to, because they always just stay in Center Guy and that area. But you could also take this route over here on the right side as well. That will lead you to the police Koban. But it's a cool spot, huh? This whole area here in Shibuya. Taco Fantastico. Fanatico. Sorry, I can't read. Alright. You know what? When I don't Usually when I don't see the comments popping up and it looks like the viewers are only staying the same, the amount of viewers, usually the stream, it got cut already. I wish I had a second phone to check, but I'm gonna end it right here in the 11-minute mark. I'll go live right after this. I just gotta check this. The stream has been letting me down today. I'll see you in a bit. But yeah, that was this live stream finding and showing you guys where Lost Bar is in Shibuya.